Hi friends, today we will discuss a graph related to Schrodinger equation which will generally asked in G exam and also some of the graph also given in NCRT. Uh, First of all, we will discuss graph related to RR versus R. So we will discuss this graph. Uh, First question arises, what is RR and what is small r? You know, wave function psi, wave function of any electron psi is can be written as in terms of RR into a theta phi. Wave function psi of any electron can be written as in terms of RR and a theta phi. Now question is arise, what is RR and what is a theta phi? RR is the radial part of the wave function, radial part of the wave function. And what is a theta phi? A theta phi is the angular part of the wave function, So the graph which we are drawing is RR, radial part of the wave function, and R, distance from the nucleus. Distance from the nucleus. And RR, now we will know it, radial part of the wave function. So let's start. First of all, we will create some rules so that we can easily draw all types of graph related to any orbitals. So let's start. We will first of all we will create some rules. So now we will writing rules for RR versus R graph. Point number 1, rule number 1, always consider nucleus at the origin. Second point, for any s orbital, the graph start from a maximum value. For any s orbital, the graph start from a maximum value. And point number 3, for any p, d and f orbital, for any p, d, f orbital, the graph starts from origin. Why this? Why graph start from maximum value in case of s orbital, and why graph start from origin in pdf orbital? Why? Because we will know radial part of the wave function RR is directly proportional to r to the power L. Okay. And for s orbital, for s orbital, what will be the value of L? The value of L is equals to 0. That's why in case of s orbital, radial part of the wave function RR is directly proportional to r to the power 0 that means that means RR that means RR will not equal to 0, because R to the power 0 R to the power 0 R to the power 0 will be a non-zero value. Okay, but in case of PDF orbital but in case of PDF orbital, and because R to the power 0, that means at origin when for S orbital RR will not equal to 0. For PDF orbital value of L 1 2 3, that means RR is directly proportional to R to the power 1, RR is directly proportional to R to the power 2, RR is directly proportional to R to the power 3. This one is P orbital, this one is D orbital, and this one is F orbital. That means in case of PDF orbital, OR is always available in the equation of in the function of RR, and if we put the value of R is 0, the value of RR is also 0. But in case of S orbital, because R is not available in the expression of RR, that means on putting the value of R0, RR will not be 0. Okay, so point 2 and 3 is clearly explained. Now that's why in PDF orbital, if we put the value of R0 and R is available in the function of RR, that's why we can say at RR0 RR will be 0. But here RR not equals to 0 because R is not available in the function in case of S orbital. Okay, next, so total till now we can write 1 2 3 rules, and point number 4 rule number 4, this graph can be positive, negative, or 0. Point number 5, each cut with x-axis represent one radial node. Why this? Because when the graph cut the x-axis, in that case the value of RR0, which will represent radial node, because at radial node the value of RR is 0. And what is the formula of calculation of radial node? Radial node is equals to n minus L minus 1, which represent number of cut with x-axis, What is n? Principal quantum number. And what is L? Azimuthal quantum number or subsidiary quantum number. Okay. Next point number 6. Point number 6 represent after each cut, sign of RR changes. After each cut, sign of RR changes. This can be simply explained with the help of this. You can see, let us assume a string which will form waves NC. This will be point where no displacement 0. That means this will behave like a node, and you can see if wave have positive sign and after cutting radial node or after passing, the sign becomes opposite, the sign will change. and again sign will change, and after radial node again sign will change. This represent when each cut, after each cut, sign of graph will change. Point number 7, as value of r increases, heights or depths of successive crests or troughs decreases. As the value of r increases, we will decrease height or depth of crust or troughs. And the last point is point number 8. At the end, the curve becomes parallel to x-axis. The curve become parallel to x-axis. Okay, and simultaneously with the graph for r versus r, we can also draw graph r square r versus r. For r square r versus r graph, only some point will required, means the graph is always positive. The graph is always positive because here is a square, and square of any value, whatever it is, negative or positive, is always positive. Always positive with same position of radial node. The position of radial node will not change because radial node will form at 0 and the square of 0 is also 0. That's why position of radial node will not change. So let's start graph. First of all, we will draw graph of 1s orbital. Graph of 1s orbital. 1s orbital. So let's start. First of all, we draw axis. We will draw both graphs simultaneously. That means RR versus R and R square versus R. Okay. For 1s orbital, we will write down rules. For s orbital, graph will be start from a maximum value. That means graph start from maximum value. Okay, and for calculation of cut with x-axis, we can find radial node. Radial node is equals to n minus l minus 1. What is the value of n for 1s orbital? Value of n is 1 minus value of l is 0 minus 1 is equals to 0. That means value of radial node 0. That means 0 cut. Graph will not cut the x-axis. That's why we can draw the graph. Graph will start from the maximum value and approaches to parallel to x-axis. That means r, and no cut will be observed. That means graph like will be this. And r square r graph will also be similar nature because this curve is positive. R square is also positive. Only some change you can observe. If r value of this, r square value of square of this, but nature will be the same. Nature will be the same, parallel to x-axis. These are two graphs for 1s orbital, r versus r and r square versus r. Next graph for 2s orbital. Next graph 2s orbital. First of all, we will draw axis, y-axis, x-axis. Y-axis x-axis. This graph RR versus R, and this one is R square versus R. Okay, because this is s orbital, that's why graph will be start from maximum value, and for finding cut with x-axis we will find radial node. Radial node will be n minus L minus 1. What is the value of n for 2s orbital? 2 minus what is the value of L? What is the value of L? 0 minus 1, and this will be 1. That's mean what is the number of cut? 1 cut with axis. 1 cut with x-axis. 1 cut with x-axis. And we also write if 1 cut with axis, then graph will be change its sign. So first of all we will draw RR versus R. Start graph with maximum value. Decrease the height or depth of crust or trough. Will be here is the cut, and also we will draw parallel to it on R square versus R, so that similarity will remain. That's why we will draw graph. 1 cut, depth decreases, and after this graph becomes parallel to x-axis. This will plus and this will minus, and you can see position of radial node will not change because square of 0 is 0. That's why in R square R the graph of radial node will not change, the position of radial node will not change. But in case of R square R, the values of negative becomes positive because square of the negative is positive. That's why graph will be this will not change portion, but portion below the x-axis which is negative becomes positive. That's why nature becomes like this, and again parallel to x-axis. Okay, next similarly we can draw graph for 3s orbital. Again draw axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis. This graph will RR versus R, and this graph will R square R versus R. Okay, so because this is s orbital, graph will start from maximum value. For finding the cut with axis, find out radial node. Radial node will be n minus L minus 1. What is the value of n? 3. What is the value of L? 0 minus 1. That means 2. So number of cut, 2 cut with x-axis. 2 cut with x-axis. So let's draw it. First of all we will start from RR versus R. Graph will start from maximum value. 2 cut, 1 cut, second cut, 1 cut, second cut. Okay, just below position of radial node will not change, either it is RR versus R or R square versus R. Okay, let's draw it. First of all graph will start from positive maximum value. Depth decreases, again height decreases. The graph continuously changes its sign. First of all from plus to minus and minus to plus, and parallel to x-axis. Let's draw it for R square versus R. The graph which is negative becomes positive, and remaining will be same. So draw it, this one and this one and this one. Okay, this graph will be for 3s orbital. Now we will draw graph. This will 3s orbital. Now similarly we can draw graph for 4s orbital. Okay, now we can draw graph for 2p or 3d or 4f. Why all three orbitals? Why all three orbitals I take simultaneously? Why? Because the graph of all these three orbitals will be similar nature. Because why? Because graph start from origin, because here is PDF orbital, and if you will put the value of r is equals to 0, the whole function r becomes 0, because in case of PDF RR was proportional to r to the power L, and value of L is 1 2 3. That's why in the function of RR, R always present, and if you put the value of R 0, the value of RR becomes 0. So find out cut with x-axis. For this, find out radial node. Radial node n minus L minus 1. What is the value of n for 2p orbital? For 2p orbital, if we finding out for 2p orbital, what is the value of n2 minus what is the value of L1 minus 1 is equals to 0. For 3d orbital, if you find out radial node, what is the value of n3 minus 2 minus 1 always is also 0. What is the value of 4f? What is the value of 4f? 4 minus 3 minus all 0. This radial node 2p, 0 for 2p, 0 for 3d, and 0 for also 4f. So in all three cases, radial node will be 0. For all three types of orbital, graph will start from origin, and for all these three types of orbital, there is no radial node. There is no radial node. That's why all these three orbitals have similar type of graph. Like we will draw it. This will y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis. Okay, this will RR versus R. This will R square R versus R. Okay, draw the graph. Graph will start from origin, no cut with x-axis, and after this becomes parallel to x-axis. Okay, and square of the 0 is 0. That means nature of the R square R will not change, will be the similar. This graph will be symmetric or asymmetric. This graph will be asymmetric, because if you draw the imaginary line, you can see this graph will be asymmetric, because here is touching to 0 and it becomes to parallel to x-axis. Okay, this graph will be this graph for 2p, 3d, and 4f. Next, we can also draw graph for 4p, 5d, and 6f also. First of all, for all these three type of graph will start from origin. Okay, and for calculation of cut with x-axis, find out radial node. Radial node n minus L minus 1. For 4p orbital, radial node, what is the value of n? 4 minus what is the value of L? 2 minus 1, this will 1. Similarly, radial node 1 for 5d orbital, radial node 1 for 6f orbital. That's mean cut with x-axis is 1. 1 cut with x-axis. 1 cut with x-axis. Okay, so let's draw the graph. First of all, draw y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis. This is RR versus R. and this is r square versus r. Okay, the graph will start from origin. Graph will start from origin. The graph will start from origin. Okay. Oh, this slight mistake. This is the value of 1. Value of 1. That means 2 and 2. So we can say 2 cut with x-axis. 2 cut with x-axis. Okay, 2 cut with x-axis. 2 cut with x-axis. 2 cut. Why? Because for S, P, D, F, what is the value of L? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the value of P? What is the value of L for P? 1. So by mistake we will put 2, but it is 1. Okay. So graph will start from origin. First maximum radial node, depth decreases, 2 cut and parallel to x-axis. These are the 2 radial nodes. We will draw. We will not change the position of radial node. We will not change position of radial node. Okay. So let's draw. For r square versus r, this will be positive, negative, positive. The graph which is negative becomes also positive. That's why this one and this one parallel to x-axis, all 3 becomes positive. Okay, these are the graph which we discussed. Okay, now you can see NCERT like this. You can see NCERT graph here. These we can also consider these graph and also learn which we learn how can we analyze the graph which are given in NCERT. So watch it. This graph will, you can see this graph for 1s and 2s orbital. You can see 1s and 2s orbital. Okay, this graph is for 1s orbital and this is 2s orbital. But you can see here psi r, not rr, because for s orbital there is no angular function. That's why wave function psi r is directly proportional to rr. So that's why we can say in NCERT given in this book, the value we can see psi r in place of rr. Okay, so let's consider the function for 1s orbital and 2s orbital. First of all, what's the graph? See the graph psi r versus r for 1s orbital and 2s orbital. Here you can see for 1s orbital, first of all we will see our graph. For 1s orbital, you can see the graph will start from maximum value and approaches to parallel to x-axis as we go from nucleus, as the value of r increases. So here you can see nature of graph. and you can see the nature of graph R. This will okay. You can see it. The nature of RR versus R is similar. But you can see why is psi r is given, because for s orbital no angular function, value of angular function is 0. That's why we can use psi r in place of RR. But turning point is in 2s graph. If you will see our graph for 2s orbital, you can see it this. The graph goes origin, change to sign and becomes parallel to x-axis, and this is the r square. But here you can see the graph for 2s orbital. Here is the turning point for you. What is the turning point? Turning point is that you are seeing the graph. This graph is not matching with our graph. Why? Because in NCERT he is using some type of graph you cannot easily consider, easily learn without the help of teacher. You can see origin is here. This is the origin, not this. This is -10. Means this graph is always matched with our graph. This graph is also matched with our graph. Why? Because for 2s orbital, you can see for 2s one cut, we will draw the graph this like this. Watch it. These are both same. And for r square versus r, this graph will be RR versus R. For r square r, this graph will be this. This is also correct. So here we learn the graph for r square r or r versus r. We can also draw the graph PR versus R. What is PR? Radial probability distribution function. Radial probability distribution function. In next video, we will draw these graph. Okay, bye. See you.